Hello, hello, guys. I'm waiting for Yoruba Pekin. Today we have a special live from Saki, Oyo State, Nigeria. Oh, Bemarsh, hello, my dear. How are you? It's been ages. I've missed you. My husband just called me and said, okay, let's do live. He's driving from, I think, from Saki to Ibadan. And let's see if we will be able to connect with him because, Nigerian network is another thing. But I just wanted to wish you a Happy New Year. I know it's February, but it's the first live I'm doing this year. I think the last time I was doing was in December, if I'm not mistaken, in the New Year time. I don't know where's the Yoruba Pekin, but we will wait a little bit. I pray network works. I hope so too, because Nigeria, a lot of things changes in Nigeria, but the network remains the same and the light problem. So let's see how it goes. But tell me, how are you? It's been ages. It feels almost like talks with Natalia. We've had such a long break. Goldies, golden. I'm actually thinking, I don't know if it's safe in Nigeria when you talk and drive, because I always...
Hello.
Alaji?
Yeah, how are you?
You even look different, eh? You chop well.
Really?
Oh my God, you look a little bit different. Nigeria made you more handsome, but I think even the barbers, they did a better job than the one that we have here. What I was saying.
Of me, Saki.
Huh? I was actually, I always tell my guests, talks with Natalia, that they shouldn't drive while talking to me. I don't know if it's safe or...
Right now, oh my goodness, I'm in a place called Alaga or Agurege to be precise. I think it's Agurege. So I'm driving with my brother. He's driving in front.
Oh, Wallaby, hey! I'm just seeing you. Well, I don't know if it makes sense if the network is the problem, because I'm sorry, I'm not patient with the Nigerian network. It's so...
Is the network too bad for you? Is it bad now?
No, I think it's okay. I think this is manageable as long as I understand you. Where is Yuzu?
Yeah, exactly. He's driving in front. You can see front. Yeah, so I'm driving behind him. So...
Okay.
Yeah. But tell me, how have you been treating my voice? How have they been treating you?
I don't know. They are enjoying themselves now.
Okay. So I hope they're
guys, we had there is a minus 17 or minus 18, and then it feels like minus 24.
Oh my goodness, it's seriously hot here. It's very, very hot. It's very, very hot. I can show you guys the road, how it looks like. If you want to have a look. So that's the road. You can see the bushy part.
Oh, Martha, hi, Martha. Oh, my people. Yeah. I love you so much.
Can you see that? Oh, so, I'm looking for bush meat. I'm checking the roadside. Hopefully, and
Daddy jedzie. Co jedzie? Daddy.
To gdzie?
Dopytaj się, Daddy.
Na iba Daddy, iba
No, I don't know. Dobra, Daddy, nie widzisz? Idź, umyj się do łazienki. Co ja mówiłam tobie?
Nani!
Słucham? Nie, teraz już się skończył obiad, dopiero później. Tutaj z Dadim rozmawiam, tylko Daddy coś tutaj. O, Nigerian Network. I always wonder, how do you guys live with this kind of network? It would be so annoying to me. He's asking, where are you heading to? I don't like. He's driving from Saki to Ibadan, I think. I don't know if he's. Let's see if he's gonna be back. I think, as far as I understood, he said that his brother is driving in the front and he's on the back following him. My husband doesn't normally drive in Nigeria. I think that Kamil, umyj buzię I wtedy możesz przyjść. Nie. Proszę. Zaraz daddy będzie z powrotem. Umyj buzię. No. I told him to come back after he washes his face. But let's see if he's back. Yeah, Marta is saying, yeah, and cześć Sylvia. Oh, yeah, I'm so happy to see all of you guys. Yeah, I know you guys are used to it, but so I'm not patient. It's the same with traffic in Nigeria. That's why I normally use Okada. That's why I drove from the mainland to VI with Okada, because I'm not I can't get stuck in this traffic. I don't even know how I'm going to be able to live in Nigeria, in Lagos, but let's see how it goes. Oh, is Yoruba Pikin is back? Okay, let's see. African time. Ashbury, thank you. I am Temili. Hi. I am David Hobby. Hi. Wemi Bliss. Hello. Yes. I'm not sure. It says waiting for Yoruba Pikin, but I'm not sure if it's if we ever gonna get connected today. Where in Nigeria have you visited? Oh, I've been to Saki. Of course, Saki is, to me is the capital of Nigeria, is in Oyo State. All the best spots in Nigeria comes from Saki. This is where my husband was born and where my family lives in. I've been to Lagos, Ibadan. I've been to Abuja. I would love to visit Ibuland. Yoruba Pikin is not able to join. Oh, let's see if we do it again. What do you mean African time? You guys, we celebrated the 6th wedding anniversary a few days ago. Yeah. Yeah, I know what African time is, eh? I don't know if I'm not gonna lose you again. Everything is fine, guys. I'm still alive. The kids are fine.
I don't know what is wrong with
the
network. My network is good. My network is good.
Fine. Yes.
Yeah. So you guys want to see?
Guys treating you well.
No, I think it's because sometimes when you're trying to take the second or third wife, this is how you're supposed to dress, So maybe that is the reason why.
That's what? Oh, I feel like I just met this man online or something and we are dating. I feel like I'm on a date. I don't know. and when you come back, I will be, and I don't know what is better. It's confusing. I don't know. Marriage it's confusing.
I can show you guys. I can show you the other side of the road. You can see it, how it looks like.
You better be careful, eh? There is no ambulance in Nigeria, eh?
There is ambulance, and stop saying that. What do you mean there's no ambulance? There is ambulance. We have everything. What are you saying?
Yeah,
we've got everything. It's just because of mismanagement.
No, Wahala. Try to call.
We have everything in place.
Where you are, yes.
So, but anyway, so I can tell you where I am now. I think I'm heading to one small town called Apo. Apo is along Saki Road.
Yeah,
so you have Apo, you have Okaka, you have all these smaller cities. So, as you can see, it's really beautiful out here. It's sunny. I love the fresh breeze of here. Everything is just so good. I think I've been able to escape the cold the coldness of Finland. You know,
as
you can see in front of me.
With the load of food?
No, that is not Yusuf. Yusuf is in front. These are no. This is a different car. This is a different car. Just check it out. See how they load it. You see that?
Nigeria.
So.
Hey, sorry, I thought it's my brother. I was just wondering what is.
Check the cars coming ahead in front of me. I think they are government car. Check them out.
Don't saying that there is no ambulance in Saki.
They are actually the press. So. Anyway, it's nice here, and I'm enjoying it. So ask me a question. Don't you have a question you can ask me?
Yeah, what have you eaten today? Do you know, guys, one of the reasons why my husband always enjoyed traveling to Nigeria is the food. That's number one. Sometimes he even goes to UK just, for a weekend to eat well and visit Nigerian restaurants.
Yeah, that's true. I've been eating inyo for amala with bakery, with anapula, with very nice bush meat, grass cutter, bush fowl. What else? So what a nice meat. So
I always know you chop amala.
Yeah, I chop amala. I chop amala with bakery. Bakery is made from beans.
Yeah.
And then with the wedu. So, and I visited.
My husband cannot live without like a traditional Yoruba man is the beans and it's plantain.
I love it. Yeah. I love it. Two days ago, I was visiting the Okere of Saki, the Saki King. We had a very, very beautiful conversation about the development of the city, and he's a real comedian. He's a real comedian. He's a real comedian.
Where?
Our king. Our king. It was so nice meeting him yesterday. Okay. I was there for like 30 minutes, and we had a nice conversation. We talk about the development of the city, about bringing the youth together from the grassroots, and then he also shares his experience about his childhood experience with us.
Wow.
So I was I recorded I think it's around a 25-minute video, which I'll be posting later on. It was very nice, and he asked about boys. He asked about them, that why are they not in Saki? Everybody is asking about them. Everybody is asking about them.
First, I beg. If not me, who would deliver Pekin, eh? For real.
Yeah, I know. Kudos to you, Naija wife. You've done so good, and we appreciate you for that. We adore you for that. That's why we always praise you.
I'm tired of words. I need some action. We appreciate you.
You need some action. Okay, tell me exactly what do you need from me now, and then me and my boss will do it for you. What do you need?
See, a man that traveled to Nigeria and forgot about his wedding anniversary in Nigeria.
I didn't forget about our wedding anniversary, baby. I just want to be there in person to honor you. I want to be there in person to honor you. I didn't forget. I called you a night before. And then I told you that when I come back, we are going to celebrate it. And for sure, we are going to celebrate it.
No,
okay?
Actually, that's true. You called in the morning. I even forgot that today is our anniversary.
Exactly. So, come on.
Sylvia is saying that there is a Valentine Day. In Finland, actually it's called more like a Ystäväpäivä. It's like a friendship day. So, yeah.
Don't worry. Do you want flower from Nigeria? See, that is the reason why everything is very easy here. If you want a beautiful flower, I can park the car now and enter the bush and pluck you a very nice flower.
Oh, Anton.
And bring you to Finland.
How are you?
What do you think?
Sorry, I'm greeting my people. What did you talk?
I said that everything is so easy here. If you want, I can pluck a nice flower for you. I just need to park the car and enter the bush, and I'll pluck flower for you.
From the bush.
You like to have flower from Nigeria?
A bush flower.
Yeah.
Me, I know.
Check it out.
Never see flowers for the bush in Nigeria. Make you buy me flowers from Finland. What are you talking? Yeah.
You know what flower from Saki? Local flower, beautiful one.
Man.
You know what?
Nigerians man romantic, eh?
Right.
Today actually I had a good conversation with Martha. I was telling you guys about the new I'm opening my YouTube finally after 1 year of you asking me about it and coming up with a new series, and we were discussing today what guys are better from Ghana or from Nigeria, but that's just another story. But anyway, she said they're from Ghana. Myself, I said from, I don't know who is more romantic, but
so
that's not for me to judge.
I think people are asking me. So right now, I'm in a town called Okaka. Okaka is in the Okyogun part of Oyo State. So I'm driving from Saki to Ibadan, and now I'm in Okaka. I think after Okaka
Yusuf,
I don't know.
who are geez, lovely couple, take this flowers from you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Which part of France your wife is from? I have been to Krakow. From Poland, yes. It's called Green Mountain, Zielona Góra. It's close to Germany, actually, the German border. It's not as famous as Saki, obviously, but yeah.
In the end, you finally accept it. Oh my God. You've always been proud and then telling me how beautiful your city is. But now you've accepted the fact that Saki is not beautiful, right?
How is Mama?
She's good. She's good. She's good. She's good.
So you are not going to see her?
She's fine
anymore.
She's coming. She's coming. Yeah. No. But okay. Of course, she's coming in March, and you know that. So it's okay.
Oh, I didn't know that.
You didn't know that?
See,
okay, she's coming. Natalia, I'm waiting for a while.
He will tell me
Come on.
in my video that my mother-in-law is coming to visit us in March. Thank you. Thank you for the information. I appreciate that.
Oh, yeah, this is because I know she can come in anytime without any issue. So, you know, but I'm telling you.
No, she's always welcome.
Boys have been asking. They were even fighting with me that I didn't take them to Nigeria. They've been asking, they've been crying about when are they going to come to Saki, when are they going to Nigeria and stuff like that. They were even, Adam and Kami were fighting with Yakub. They told him, you are not going again. You have been there 2 to 3 times. We haven't been there at all.
I want to go
so it's like, yeah, they told him in Yoruba, so, you know.
To be honest, I wanted to come myself. If not Corona, we would all be in Nigeria at the moment. But I just felt that this is not the best time to travel with the kids. Especially that some flights canceled. So a friend of mine told me 2 days ago that her husband's flight was canceled. He found out about it at the airport. So I'm happy that your flight is...
Yeah, it's good.
But did you call the airline? How do you know about it?
No, they would have sent me a message. The flight is not cancelled. It's okay. They still sent me a message this morning. So that.
Okay, let's see.
Very soon,
I don't trust.
You guys need to have a look at what. Just check the road. Check the front. What do you see there? This is what we are facing right now. You see the cows. You see the small child. You see the small child, you see them. Do you see them? Do you see them? Do you guys see them? On the road, do you see the small kid? See?
No, I don't see the small kids. I saw cows, but I didn't see the children.
Okay. There are small kids with one adult rearing the cow. One small kid, I mean two small kids, and then one adult. It's crazy,
Oh,
you know.
I don't know. With safety, it's crazy. Safety in Nigeria. The meaning of safety is totally different than the rest of the world. But someone was asking, Suza Fumi Diwa was asking if people wear masks in Nigeria.
Well, the problem is that I don't know how we are going to change our people's orientation about coronavirus, but some people, majority of people still don't believe that the virus exists. Of course,
For real?
they wear face masks. Let me tell you something. People wear face masks in my hometown. Majority of them, when I ask them the question why they wear face masks, is because of dust. They wear face masks because there is road construction going on, and then there is too much dust in the city. So people wear face masks because of dust. And I asked them, I hope it's because of coronavirus. They said no. They said we don't have coronavirus. Some people said we don't. One among them told me yes, there is coronavirus, and they are wearing masks.
But are there corona cases in Shaki? Waliu?
You asked me a question if there has been coronavirus issue in Shaki. I told you I don't know, because even if there has been any, I don't really think there has been any adequate test center for people to have the test to really, as I said, if they have coronavirus or not. The road is so bad. Check this out. Let me show you guys. Did you see that? Can you see that?
No, because the video is blurred. I can't.
Okay.
Yeah, Susan saying that they go to them to people, that are selling them corona drugs, and then they just take the money because it's fake. I can imagine. Oh. But I was told that you get fined from the police in Nigeria if you don't wear the mask. I don't know if it's true or not. Anyway, you go pay for anything in Nigeria, the police will, they will fine you for whatever. But okay, Yoruba Pekin left. I think we have to have the last attempt and then see if Yoruba Pekin will be able to pick it up. I miss Poland, Suzafi Midiwa. Yes, I've not been to Poland since 2 years. It's crazy. It's the first time in my life that I've not visited my beautiful country for that long. It's only in Lagos that mask seems a little effective. Yeah. So what about Abuja? I hope it's okay there as well. Otumba Salam. So you do too. Yeah. I have many Polish friends in New York. Yes, we actually have a very big community in New York. I mean, Polish people are like Nigerians. We're everywhere. So good to see you, Mati Oluwa. Oh, Oluwaseun. Do you know that it's my favorite Nigerian name, Oluwaseun? Yakub's second name is Oluwaseun. It means thank God. I love it. And a very good friend of mine, his name is Oluwaseun as well. I love this name. But is Yoruba Pekin back, actually? Is he back? Yes, he's back. I live in Greenpoint, yes. We're everywhere, I know, Tony Tornado. I know. And then they say that if there is no Ibumen in the country, it means, or in the city, it means it's not good for business. I don't know about Hausa people because I barely met Hausa people outside of Nigeria, but Okay, we are waiting for Yoruba Pekin to connect. Let's see if it's gonna work. Have you learned some Yoruba? Of course I have. Orukomini Natalia. Yeah, Ekurola. I think that's the correct greeting for this time of the day. Thank you, Morayo, follow Shade. Thank you. My husband is taking good care of me somehow. Yes, I know that the signal is bad over. Yeah, he's unable to join again. I'm learning Yoruba from my children actually. So it's like Joko Jeun, Oti Jeun, Wambi, come here. Joko, it's it. Oti Jeun. I have eaten, I think. Motikbo. No, Shotikbo, did you understand? Motikbo, I understood. Yeah. So that's the basic of Yoruba, I understand. Do your kids speak English? Yes, they speak 4 languages actually, and then to my surprise, they speak English as well. They've learned from us, and as well as some friends they speak at the daycare with in English. So to my surprise, I think like 2 years ago, they suddenly started speaking English, and I was just shocked. I started crying because I was not aware of that my children that they do speak English. So they do, and it's so funny the way they switch the languages. It comes so easy. Kudos to Yoruba Pekin. Yes. But I don't know, where is he now? Yes, Yusuf Suwagi. Yes, I have to. Yes, he needs to be careful. I know. I don't trust Nigerian road. Thank you, Mariah Folashade. I will send your regards. The language, Antonio Ren, they Polish to each other. Cabo.
Hello. So, I'm in Ipapo. The name of this town is called Ipapo. So,
But the road is not good.
And they are inside this town. I think the road is good. Let's wait and see after the town.
Where's Yusuf?
Yusuf is the car driving in front of me. That car. Yep. So.
Yeah, but it seems that the ride is quite okay. The last time when we drove from Ibadan to Saki, there's been a problem.
Yeah, the road is actually better now. Next time when we are coming here, I think we will enjoy it. The road is better. The road is better compared to the last time when we visited. So.
Oh my God! I just remember now, guys. Do you know that my husband made me travel by car from Lagos to Abuja? If I think about
it was Natalia, you said wait.
Never go again. Never.
No, wait. You remember in 2009 when we traveled to Morocco, you told me you really want to have the road experience. You wanted to have the road experience, and we travel with people traveling with their chicken and goat and everything in the same bus. Do you remember?
Yeah, but
you made me travel with those people. Yes, now.
And from 2009, I stopped traveling with locals. Okay, because I've learned my lesson. Because there was
but you didn't. No. You didn't. When we arrived in Nigeria and we were going to Abuja, go by road. Yes, now.
And I still remember we traveled with a small van, and there was no space, and the driver was still asking me because first of all we had to wait like for 3 hours for the car to leave, and then we had to pay for the extra seat so we don't have to wait for other people to come. So I was like, just pay for some extra space, and then the driver still was asking me if the extra people can come after some time to sit in between me and someone. So I was here, someone was here, and there was another here. and the driver was trying to fit someone into the space, and I'm like, no, 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 I am Oyibo, but I'm not stupid, eh? No,
I remember. I remember.
I think
I
they see
remember.
in the end, and then there were like people just staring at me while the Oyibo is traveling from Lagos to Abuja by car, and it was like I don't even know. I just remember that there was a good suya joint at some point when we stopped, and
Yes.
that's what I remember.
And we stopped at one restaurant. Okay, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys the road. So hold on.
What did happen?
Just wait. They stopped Yusuf. It's okay.
Why?
It's okay. Just wait. No problem. So now they want us to stop, and oh, hold on. They are stopping Yusuf.
Oh, the SARS is me now.
So they stop Yusuf, and I'm gonna park well now. So let's see.
People outside of Nigeria who are watching this, this is Nigeria for you, that they will stop you for no reason.
Just wait.
What do they want?
Now they check his boot. Everything is okay, and now they are leaving. They were actually cracking joke with him. It's okay. Hello, sir. Yeah, it's my brother. Thank you very much. I'm fine, sir. And you?
Fine. How do you work?
Work good. Thank you very much. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So they just check my brother's car boot, and then everything's okay. They said we are going together. They said he's going with the car behind him, so just let him go. So now we are good now, and then we are back on the road.
After everything that we have experienced in Nigeria from police, I don't trust police people in Nigeria. I'm sorry. So anytime I see a police, it's to me.
Yeah, it's fine.
Because
no, the problem. The problem here now is that they don't know who is who. They don't know who you are. So when they stop you, sometimes they are a little bit afraid also to question you too much, because they don't know who is who. So, but anyway.
Oh, I got scared. Sorry. Oh.
You don't have to be. I think, let me tell you one secret. Let me tell you one thing that just happened now. I think they let us go immediately because they realized I was on live video. I didn't stop the video. They realized I'm on live video. So, that was the reason why you see, that was quick. So they saw me doing the live video, and then they started telling each other that that is with that car behind him. It's with that car behind him. So,
Royal Fellowship, they want to stop and they're embarrassing us.
Okay, so they were not asking for money. It would have been so embarrassing if they had asked for money. Because I think they realized I was on live video. That was the reason why it was so quick.
Yeah, because I've never had a police checkup without them asking for money. It has never happened to me in Nigeria. Oh, okay. I feel okay because I got so scared. I don't know. It's just in Nigeria, everything can. I love Nigeria, but you guys know that everything can happen within a second, and people don't respect each other's lives, and it's yes, exactly. Learning development tech. Police in Nigeria are crazy, make things out of nothing. Exactly, because then they would say that my husband did not follow well the brother or whatever, or why they are together. Is there something going on, or yeah, police corrupted over there big time. Yes, I know. Niger police will make you cry. Yes. So does SARS actually exist still, or what is the situation? Because yeah, Niger. You know Nigeria so much, I'm ashamed. Barack Odam. No, I know Nigeria, but it's with love. You know, guys, I love Nigeria. I'm very much passionate about Nigeria, but I just know the reality as well, and I know how it's very beautiful, but it's dangerous at the same time. So um, I know how bad it can be, how good it can be as well. 2 week vacation, I'm stressed already. Yeah, that's the problem, because anytime I talk to my husband and then we want to travel to Nigeria, and it's like, for holidays, it's how can you really rest in Nigeria? You can have fun for 2 days maybe, but normally it's quite stressful and demanding, and the government lied too much. And even about these palliatives found in the factory or somewhere, it's like the government is stealing food from people, and it does not even belong to them. It comes from somewhere else outside of Nigeria. But anyway, that's the never ending topic. Okay, we are waiting for Yoruba Pekin. I think it's the last time, because I'm supposed to go out with the boys. Can you see my boys? They're behaving so well. The light go off. Yes, I know. Is it NEPA that is responsible for the light? This hotel in Shaki is more secure for you whether you come home. Official soft funds. I think we've been to this hotel before. Is there a swimming pool? That's what I remember, the last hotel I've been. Antonia Ram, yes, we love you too, and thank you for all your support and messages. I read them. It's just sometimes I don't have time to reply. Yeah, I know that the boys are beautiful, but the problem is that normally we show them in a very positive light. So anytime they cry, they shout, they misbehave, or they talk back, you guys, you cannot see it. But I'm very proud of them, and they are lovely, yes. Okay, Yoruba Pekin is... hello, Taiwo Tope. Let's see. Mufutau, where are you? My husband, I think, according to the plan schedule, my husband is getting back to Finland on Sunday. Let's see how it goes. No swimming pool at Tees, only at Neagle of Riverside. Okay. I think the Riverside, maybe. I don't remember the name of the hotel we've been to last time. Oh, I miss clubbing. I would love to club in Nigeria, to be honest. That's the first destination I would go to. There are 2 clubs in Lagos I would love to visit. But in the COVID time, I don't think it's safe. Mora Oye Follow Shade is asking where are the kings. Yuck. They are playing with vlogs because we got the package from the grandma from Poland, and they got some gifts and they are playing. Oh, Yoruba Pekin is unable to join again. I know the babies begging for food outside. I know it's heartbreaking. That's why sometimes when I get DMs about the to people asking me for money, I always try to send something, because you never know. Some it's scam, some it's not, but that's at least what we can do from here. And our company also did a project with the youth in Nigeria, teaching them a new skill. I think Petra is here with us today, and she was in charge of it. So hello, Petra, and thank you for your love towards Nigeria and Shaki. I hear stories of parents throwing their children off, thinking they are witches and do not understand. I know. I think I watched some program about it in Ghana. I don't know what is the situation like in Nigeria, but I guess it might be similar. I think Yoruba Pekin is facing a network issue. That's why. Yes, I think so too. Yeah, he is. Yeah, yeah, the service is not stable, I know. Yes, Petra, hi. We've missed you. How are you? Waiting for Yoruba Pekin. Guys, Nigeria, I know Nigeria is Nigeria, but it's not as bad as other people say. That's for sure. I always tell people that Nigeria is a land of opportunities. It's just, it depends. If you are not afraid to kind of take a risk and get to know Nigeria people and Nigerian culture better, there is always a chance. Susa Fumidiwa, how did you meet each other? It's through a friend we actually met, and then it's a little bit long story, but it was not the love from the first sight, that's for sure. We kind of Yoruba Pekin is unable to join. Let me try the last time. Okay, he's not here anymore, but let's. Yeah, so we've met. Can you imagine that me and my husband, well, you are the Umi Mufutao, we've met, my God, I think 11 years ago. I was so young that time. Especially Shaki way, I'm still schooling their official soft funds. Oh, my regards to Shaki. Shaki people. I miss Shaki. We are based in Finland. In the cold Finland, for those who have not been with us since the beginning, today it's been -17 and it feels like -24. The weather is crazy. God bless Yoruba Pekin. Oh, thank you. Petra is saying, waiting for good news and updates from Oga Mufutau. Yes. If you're ever in Boston, say hi. Oh, yeah, in Massachusetts. Yes, we are actually going to Houston, but I think it's in December. But I would love to. I've not been to Boston. I've been to the States like I think 5 times so far, but I've never been to Boston. I have family still there. Your ex-husband was from Poland, from Warsaw. Yeah, wow, that's amazing. You ever come to New York? My husband was in New York last year, I think. I had to stay with the kids. Yes, we would love to go there. We have a lot of friends in New York. Where is Yoruba Pekin? Thank you. I hope that another policeman have not stopped him again. Yeah, I didn't even think about it. But with Nigeria, everything is possible. I don't know. Let's wait for him more 5 minutes and then we will see. Edmonton, Canada, I've been there. I love Canada, and Edmonton is the best state. Best. It's Calgary. We've been to Calgary 2 years ago, and then there was a snowstorm. I was supposed to go to the what is the name of the national park? Banff National Park. And we were not able because of the storm, the snowstorm. But definitely, we will go back to Canada. Oh, the real to that. I live in Boston too. I think maybe we should do some tour to the States, you know, guys. We would love to meet all of you. That would be lovely. It's always so interesting. I've met so many amazing people through this channel. You know, it's internet nowadays. It's so powerful. Mad cold, yes, Petra, yes, exactly. But Finland, Canada is like a bigger Finland to me. That was my experience, like when we visited Calgary. Let's see if Walyu is back. No, oh my God. Now I will be worried. It's like one time he called me, or I called him in the middle of the night, and then he said that his car, he was on the way from Shaki to Lagos, I think, and then his car got something got broken on the way there, and it was the middle of the night. And then he said everything is okay, and then he stopped picking my calls. So I was like, I think for 2 hours I was trying to reach him, and it was maybe midnight, 1 a.m. or something, and then he was not reachable, and I almost had a heart attack because I was just imagining, you know, people, what can happen in the middle of the night on the road. But anyway, I know I'm all positive now. Toronto is nice. I've never been to Toronto. No, I've not been into Toronto. But actually, I have even some relatives living there. This my husband. Because I'm always worried about him. I don't know. Maybe I shouldn't be. Nigeria fall is beautiful. I've been to Nigeria I've been in December. I've been to Nigeria in February. I've been to Nigeria in the raining season as well. I think it was June or July. When is fall in Nigeria? Is it actually September? Normally we have fall season in Finland in September, kind of. And Niagara Fall. I'm sorry. I'm like, what? Fall in Nigeria? I didn't even. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Leonard is saying that been to Helsinki similar to Edmonton, but rains a lot. Yeah, it depends. It rains a lot in September in Nigeria, in Finland. Actually, it's a very rainy month. He's safe. Don't worry. He's a citizen there. It's true. That's one of my goals, to get the Nigerian passport. When I tell people about that, they say I'm crazy, because I'm a Finnish citizen and a Polish citizen, obviously, and my next goal is to get the passport. I got a Niger wifey permit to work in Nigeria a few years ago, and I had an interesting conversation with one of the government representatives about the passport. He was just laughing. So basically, with the Niger wifey permit, I can enter Nigeria. It works like visa, and then I think it's for 10 years, if I'm not mistaken, or 5 years, maybe 5 years actually. So that would be that. I was wondering what you were saying exactly. Don't mind me. Oh, Yoruba Pekin is back. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we don't, from Poland. I have a 10 years visa in my passport, actually, so I think it's valid still for 5 more years, but at this point we don't need from Poland to the US.
What happened?
We were wondering if you're okay.
I am okay. I have visitors in the car.
You see?
Yeah, they are truck. One Kinyo, they said, how are you?
Dada.
So basically their truck broke down on the road and they are coming to Ishain. So we stopped and then we picked them up and then we are taking them to Ishain. We're actually in Ishain now. Ishain is the hometown of Sans Hotel. You know Sans Hotel?
Yes.
So
we're supposed to visit him.
You can.
When we come to Nigeria.
Yeah, but we are in Sans Hotel hometown now.
And what Mama is saying, Suzafumidiwa, why are you not wearing the mask? Thank you, Mama.
Why am I not wearing the mask? Yeah, because I was driving I was actually driving alone before. I was driving alone. I was the only person in the car.
But
I don't see any reason why I should use mask. But now I just pick up people and then now I have to use my mask. Okay?
Yes. Thank you for being conscious. Yeah, that's very important.
You are welcome. You are welcome. So people are saying that why am I not using my face mask? So I have to use my face mask now.
With Baba, why are they not using the mask either?
Why are Baba not using mask? Because they were I don't know. I'll ask them the question, and then they will let you know the reason why they were not using their face mask. Manipulator if you do face mask. Yeah, they said the reason why they are not using their face mask is because they were actually cutting trees in the bush, and they were mainly alone there. So that was the reason why they were not using their face mask. Now when they come to the city, they will use their face mask. Are you about it? So now they are in the city now, and now they will use their face mask. Okay?
No,
so this what I'm trying to tell, I mean, at this point now, it shows that we love to help each other. Of course, I know there are a lot of bad incidents happening around in Nigeria now, but we are good people. We love to help ourselves. When you see people that are stranded, you know, it's this kind of human instinct just to help. Do you get my point now? So now we are initiating. I believe they will buy some of the parts for their truck, and then they have to go back there to fix the truck, and then they will come to the city. Okay. So in Yoruba, they are doing what we call the loggers in Yoruba is called agegedu. They are called agegedu in Yoruba. They are called agegedu. They will go to the bush, cut big trees, load it at the back of their truck. These trucks, they are not new trucks. So some of them are 50 years old. You know, some of the trucks they are using are 50 years old.
Ah, tell them I'm in the truck business. Tell them
So the truck that they are using for the logging business is like around 40 years old truck they are using, and it's still working. But Yoruba people will say, which means everything that came with the truck, you can't find anything that came with the truck on the truck again. So they have actually fabricated everything. They have put their own things into the truck, you know. But that tells you that our people are genius also. People are innovative here. If they give us the chance, people will evolve, you know. People will evolve if we are given the opportunity. If government support people, people are brilliant. People are genius here also. But we don't have that opportunity. May God help us.
Has the President Buhari, was he vaccinated already or not yet?
I don't know. I don't know if our president is vaccinated already, but to be honest with you, I'm not quite sure if this vaccination of the thing will really work in Nigeria. Number one, it's going to cost us a lot of money. The money that the government are claiming, maybe they don't even have the money. Maybe they want to go and borrow money to buy the vaccines. How do you vaccinate 200 million people when there has been a lot of mismanagement of funds and everything? We don't even have money. So this country is a no man's land.
Yesterday, someone was saying that the malaria medicine works for COVID or somehow. Is this true?
I'm not quite sure. I'm not a doctor, and I've not really experienced much here. All I know is that people claim that there is no COVID. Thank you very much. These are people that are well informed. If you see the way they dress, you would think they are not learned, but you know, they have the right orientation. They are saying that they believe that there is corona. That is one step ahead for us.
Oh my God, save Nigeria, for real.
They will be ready to take the necessary precautions to prevent themselves from contacting the disease. You know? So you want to see how it looks like in the city here? Like I told you before, this is Sansotan hometown. What do you say?
But I said I miss Nigeria even more now.
So when you are saying this, you miss Nigeria, right? It makes you to miss Nigeria.
No, it's the atmosphere, the liveliness of.
Yeah, I know. It's beautiful. It's really, really beautiful. It's really, really beautiful. Let's check it out.
The smell of the petrol everywhere. That's the kind of.
Yeah, I know. But it's still good. I think.
How many kilometers you still have to Ibadan?
See the truck in front of me? There's no traffic light. There is no navigating light, so he's actually using his hand to tell me that he's coming to this side. Oh, I should wait for him. Did you say that?
Do I remember well that there was a traffic light in Saki, and we were the only one who actually stopped at the red light, and then people were pressing the
I I think it wasn't in Saki. I think it was in Lagos when there was a traffic light and we stopped for the red light and people were telling us that are we actually safe? Why did we actually stop for the red light? It's really crazy in this country. I tell you.
Yeah.
If you drive carefully and if you drive well, they will tell you don't know how to drive. Are you stupid? Why are you driving like that? If you are observing the roundabout rule, they will tell you why are you doing that. It's really crazy.
My guys, he has a truck driving.
What do you say?
I'm saying that Octavian drives in Nigeria, my brother.
Your brother drove this same road that I'm driving. He drove from Ibadan to Saki. Your brother drove from Oyo to Ogbomoso. That's one of the deadliest roads. That road is mad. And your brother was driving from Oyo to Ogbomoso. You know. But for him it was fun. He's a very rugged driver, so I believe he can drive anywhere. That's just it.
Movotao, I think I have to go to take care of your Pekin, eh?
No problem. I love you guys. They cannot even come and say hi to me. Like, hello.
Daddy chce z wami rozmawiać. Ale tylko chodźcie powiedzieć cześć. Daddy chce z wami. Okay. They said they are building the car for you.
They are building car for me, so that's why they cannot come and say hello, Daddy.
Okay. What here? Guess who is it? Who can?
Adam. Yeah, I know. Adam, baby, báwo ni?
Dada.
Kí lẹ̀ ń ṣe?
I'm sorry.
Ẹ̀ ń ṣeré. Wá ti dání. Wá ti Yakubu àti Kamil. Ẹ lọ pé Yakubu àti Kamil wá. Sọ pé Daddy ń pè wọ́n. Ẹ lọ pè wọ́n wá.
Let's see, because they're very busy.
I know. They are building cars, so they don't want to talk. What did he say?
So that.
No problem. Oda bo. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́, kò sí wàhálà sà. Oda sà. Oda bo no. Pẹ̀lẹ́ o.
Oda baba.
Oda, kò sí wàhálà. Oda bo ẹ̀gbọ́n. Kẹ́ take care. Oda bo. Yeah. I can't hear you guys again. What do you say? Mo wà ní Ìṣẹ́yìn ní orúkọ bí tí mo wà. Ìṣẹ́yìn, ṣé fẹ́ rí bẹ́ẹ̀? Ó fẹ́ rí. Ṣé kí n fi hàn ẹ́? Ọ̀yá wò. Ó ti rí. Wò. Ṣé o ti rí?
Daddy buklama.
Grandma wà Saki. Grandma ò sí níbí o. Grandma bẹ́ Saki o.
Ibu emalodi klama.
Mo ti kúrò lọ́dọ̀ grandma ni, ṣùgbọ́n náà lọ́lọ́la. Ṣó fẹ́ rí grandma àbí? Ṣó fẹ́ rí grandma? Ọ̀dà mo ti gbọ́. A lọ rí grandma tó bá di lọ́la. Ṣó di gbọ́? Ṣó di gbọ́? Ọ̀yá ẹ wò, mo fẹ́ jẹun. Ṣé di gbọ́? Mo fẹ́ lọ jẹun. Sádàm ti gbọ́. Mo fẹ́ lọ jẹun nísìn. Tó bá di lọ́la màá pè yín padà. Ṣó di gbọ́? Sọ fún Kamil àti Yakubu wípé wọn ò dá mi lóhùn.
Daddy, ibule lo jẹun.
Mo láti lọ jẹun, mo ti lọ jẹun. So fẹ́ wo bí tí mo. What do you say, Natalia?
I'm trying to eat and you will talk to us.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Perfectly. Adam, mo fẹ́ lọ jẹun, mo ti lọ jẹun àbí? Tí bá ti débẹ̀ máa fi bí tí mo ti lọ jẹun àyìn. Ṣé ti gbọ́? Okay? Ṣé ti gbọ́? dáadáa o.
single.
Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín o. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́
We
yín o.
love you.
Daddy, super
Ó dàbọ̀ o. Màá sọ tàn fún yín tó bá di lálẹ́ sódìgbọ́. Màá sọ fún yín lálẹ́ sódìgbọ́. Ok?
Okay. The other boy.
Ó dàbọ̀ o. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín o.
We love you too.
Ó dàbọ̀ o. Èmi náà nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ̀ o ṣeun. Ó ṣeun Àyìnlá mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ̀ àti Àríkẹ́ mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ tiẹ̀ náà o. Àpèkẹ́ mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ̀ o. Àyìnlá mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ wọn náà o. Ó dàbọ̀ o.
Okay, let's see. Bye.
Bye.